Telangana. This is Himachal 365 and you're watching Hillquest News channel. Let's start with the headlines. Kullu SP and Himachal Pradesh CM's PSO suspended for slapping, kicking each other outside airport in Kullu. Soon buy Chamba Rumal Kullu shawl on Amazon. Clear status of 69 NH, says Congress MLA to Nitin Gadkari. Himachal Pradesh awaits centre approval for bulk drug park. BJP core committee to meet in Dharamshala today. Mandi shopkeepers encroach upon pedestrian paths. Heinous crime, BJP blast on Kejriwal government over Supreme Court panel report claiming Delhi exaggerated oxygen need. ED raids a former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh's residence. NIA files charge sheet against 7 Tehreek-ul-Mujahideen militants in Jammu and Kashmir's Punch conspiracy case. Over 1.5 crore unutilized vaccine doses available with the state's says centre. Now news in detail. Kullu SP and Himachal Pradesh CM's PSO suspended for slapping, kicking each other outside airport in Kullu. Both police officials, Kullu SP Gaurav Singh and Balbat Singh, PSO of Chief Minister, who were involved in the showdown outside the Bhuntar airport in Kullu, have been placed under suspension. Director General of Police Sanjay Kundu confirmed the suspension of the two. The inquiry report into the incident is expected today evening, though the report of the inquiry being conducted by DIG Madhusudan is yet to be submitted. The government chose to send a strong signal by suspending the two. Brijesh Sood ASP has been shifted and Puneet Raghu, additional SP 3rd India Reserve Battalion, Pando in Mandi, has been posted in his place to look after the CM security. Soon buy Chamba Rumal Kullu shawl on Amazon. The online scene of Himachali handicrafts like Kangra miniature paintings, exquisitely embroidered Chamba Rumal and Kullu Kinnori shawls on Amazon and Flipkart will open up global markets for artisans who have been hit hard by COVID. The Himachal Pradesh Handloom and Craft Corporation will sign an MOU for facilitating the sale of Himachal handicrafts on their sites by the end of this month. The corporation will facilitate the sale of products made by weavers and artisans from across the state on the two popular online shopping sites. Clear status of 69 NH, says Congress MLA to Nitin Gadkari. Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari must clear the status of 69 national highways he had announced during his previous visit to the state, said Ramlal Thakur, MLA of Shri Naina Devi constituency on Thursday. He said the state government had approved the preparation of the detailed project report DPR of 58 national highways, but nothing was seen on the ground. Ramlal alleged that despite repeated meetings with the authorities of the National Highways Authority of India NHAI, there was no development on the announced NH. Meanwhile, Prem Kaushal, spokesperson Himachal Pradesh Congress Committee, said the purpose of Gadkari's visit was just for tourism and to observe the political scenario in the state. Himachal Pradesh awaits centre approval for bulk drug park. Himachal Pradesh is eagerly waiting for the announcement of a bulk drug park by the centre. State Industries Minister Bikram Singh recently called on Union Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers D.V. Sadananda Gowda at New Delhi and informed him that Himachal had submitted highly competitive proposals for bulk drug and medicine devices parks to the Department of Pharmaceuticals. He also requested Gowda for early announcement of the result for these parks, as it would stabilize the API prices and also result in import substitution. Bikram Singh has also informed the Union Minister that presently the state was home to more than 700 pharma companies and had emerged as the largest pharma formulation hub in the country. BJP core committee to meet in Dharamshala today. BJP top leaders from the state and Delhi, who are in the extended core group of the party for Himachal Pradesh, will meet today. Sources said the two-day meeting would devise a strategy for the Mission Repeat 2022. Prominent leaders such as B.L. Santosh, National General Secretary of the party, Chief Minister Jairam Thakur, former CMs Prem Kumar Dhumal and Shanta Kumar, Minister of State for Finance Anurag Thakur and BJP President Suresh Kashyap would attend the meeting. They said the party leaders would lay stress on winning the political vital Kangra district that has 15 assembly constituencies. Mandi shopkeepers encroach upon pedestrian path. Shopkeepers have encroached upon pedestrian paths at several places across Mandi town. The shopkeepers keep their products on the pedestrian paths to attract customers, causing a lot of inconvenience to residents. The municipal corporation, it seems, has also turned a blind eye to it. The authorities should give a strict warning to all the erring shopkeepers so that they refrain from encroaching upon the roads. Heinous crime, BJP blasts on Kejriwal government over Supreme Court panel report claiming Delhi exaggerated oxygen need. Bharatiya Janata Party BJP has launched a scathing attack on the Aam Aadmi Party AAP government in Delhi after a Supreme Court panel's report said that the city government exaggerated oxygen need by 4 times during the second wave of pandemic. It is unbelievable to see that Arvind Kejriwal and Delhi government politicized the oxygen supply when COVID was at its peak. This is such a petty politics. The data presented by Oxygen Audit Committee in the report is shocking, Sambit Patra said while addressing the media today. Due to this lie of Arvind Kejriwal, oxygen supply was affected in 12 states, he said. Patra also said that oxygen tankers remain on the roads of Delhi because Kejriwal's lie. Had this oxygen been used in other states, many lives could have been saved. This is a heinous crime committed by Arvind Kejriwal, he added. ED raids former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh's residence. For the second time in a month, the Enforcement Directorate ED on Friday raided the house of former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. The ED team reached Deshmukh's residence with a huge posse of police and central police forces, sparkling speculation of further stringent action in the matter. The senior NCP leader quit his post after former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh wrote a letter to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray levelling allegations of corruption against Deshmukh. NIA files charge sheet against 7 Tehreek-ul-Mujahideen militants in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch conspiracy case. The National Investigation Agency NIA on Friday said it has filed a charge sheet against 7 terrorists of Tehreek-ul-Mujahideen TOM before a special Jammu court in connection with the Poonch conspiracy case of Jammu and Kashmir. The 7 terrorists of TOM who have been named in the charge sheet include Muhammad Mustafa, Muhammad Yasin, Muhammad Farooq, Muhammad Ibrar, Muhammad Zawid Khan, Sher Ali and Muhammad Rafiq alias Sultan. According to officials in the NIA, all the accused have been charged under various sections of IPC Arms Act, Explosive Substance Act and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act UAPA. Over 1.5 crore unutilized vaccine doses available with State Sales Center. More than 1.5 crore unutilized COVID vaccine doses are still available with the states and union territories, and over 47 lakh doses are in the pipeline and will be received by them within the next 3 days, the Union Health Minister said on Friday. Over 30.54 crore vaccine doses have been provided by the Centre to states and union territories so far to the Government of India free of cost channel and through direct state procurement category. Of this, the total consumption including wastages is 29 crore 4,04,264 doses, the minister said. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hilcoast News channel. Thank you.
धूमल क्यों हारे?
सरकार जो है वो कानून व्यवस्था को नियंत्रित करने में नाकाम हो रही है।
इसमें जो दोषी लोग हैं वो जेल की सलाखों के पीछे। तो
rift in the party that has led to the defeat in previous election.
The rift कोई नहीं थी पार्टी में।
ग्रामीण शिमला की बात करते हैं।
Unprecedented amount of development work in this constituency.
है कि हमीरपुर मेडिकल कॉलेज के लिए जो फॉरेस्ट क्लियरेंस थी वो भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की वजह से डिले हुई।
हमने केंद्र से फॉरेस्ट क्लियरेंस करवा कर दी।